What we have here is a 2004 Charmilles Robofil 240cc wire EDM machine. This was a recent local trade-in that we acquired. Has automatic wire threading, submerged cutting, the Millennium Control. It's equipped with a CD-ROM drive, 3.5 floppy, and a network connection. The machine also has an Advantage 2-ton chiller. As you can see around back, it's equipped with a step-down transformer and large spool option. And as you look around back here, you can see it's a very clean machine. Glass scale feedback on all axes. The machine is capable of doing 30-degree taper at all travel. Give us a call at Peak Machinery Sales if you have any additional questions. 248-380-0871.